Just me.
Hit it, Skip!
Alright, we're gonna hit something. Wave goodbye to everybody on the dock. Bye! We will never see them again. Well, welcome aboard, everybody. My name's Skipper DJ. I'll be your skipper for as far as we get. Just a few safety tips. Please remain seated. Keep your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the boat, and please supervise your children. Well, we've just entered the rainforest in case you missed it. We take a look right here. That's our first sign of danger. And also on the right-hand side, we have the Temple of the Forbidden Eye, and that's where famed archaeologist Dr. Indiana Jones is searching for the world's greatest treasure. Which, I don't know why he's searching in there, because clearly, I am standing right here. We're now entering an ancient Cambodian shrine. It was built by Cambodian Shriners. On the left-hand side, that's a 500-pound Bengal tiger, and they are known to jump up to 20 feet. The good thing we're only 15 feet away, he will jump right over our boat. Uh-oh, watch out in the water, that's Ginger. And Ginger snaps. Ooh, take a look, everybody. This is the enchanted bathing pool of the Indian elephants. And it appears the entire herd is out here. That's almost unheard of. But feel free to stare. Feel free to take as many photos as you'd like. They're all wearing their trunks after all. And over there in the waterfall is Bertha. Everybody say hi, Bertha! Hi, Bertha! Do you guys want to know why elephants have so many wrinkles? It's because they don't have any irons in the jungle, that's why. How's he supposed to get those wrinkles out? Whoa, 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 hang on everybody, hang on. Hey Squirt, be a good boy and stay in the water. Do not come back up and get everybody wet that sits in the back. Oh no, he's gonna do exactly that, watch out! I'm just kidding. Did you really think I'd lead you into danger? Wait a minute, that didn't sound good. Folks, I think we're entering banana country. If it gets too dangerous, keep your eyes peeled. We may need to split. If you guys like banana jokes, I got a bunch of them. Oh no. Oh no! They left the lights on to my Jeep. How am I ever gonna get that to turn over now? Alright, let's get out of here. Well, if everybody takes a look to the left-hand side where this bamboo is, you guys are gonna see nothing. Although right in front of us we have the beautiful Schweitzer Falls. It was named after our founder, Dr. Albert Falls. But you guys don't have to remember that because we'll be going over it later. And now we've just made a right turn down the Nile River. Did you guys know that the Nile River is the longest river in the world? They say it goes on for miles and miles and miles. If you guys don't believe me, well then you're probably in denial. Over there on the left-hand side, that's an African bull elephant. You know, they say elephants have the greatest memory of any animal on Earth. I wish I had the memory of an elephant. Ooh, look over here to the right-hand side. That's an African bull elephant. You know, they say elephants have the greatest memory of any animal on Earth. I wish I had had the memory of an elephant. And now we've just entered the African belt, and look at all these animals out here. Right in front of us, we got some striped horses, and those tall ones in the back, those are long-necked cheetahs. But those guys over there on the right, they are called new. I saw them for the first time today, so I've just been calling them new. Oh, that's so cute. Look, those lions are watching that zebra sleep. That zebra looks dead tired to me. We'll just let him rest in peace. We'll let him rest in peace. Oh my goodness! I cannot believe what I am seeing here. This is truly a sight to behold. Would you look at all of those stones on that shoreline? I have never seen so many rocks in one single place before. But remember, never argue with a rhino because they'll always get their point across in the end. Uh-oh. Wait a minute, hippos! Oh no, I think I made a wrong turn at the waterfall. I should have gone left, not right. Okay, this isn't good. We'll be okay as long as they don't start wiggling their ears and blowing bubbles out of their noses, because that means they're probably going to attack. And they're doing just that. Hang on, everybody. This really doesn't look good. This guy really looks upset. All right, I'm going to fire 2 shots to scare him away. Cover your ears. This may be loud. Okay, that was close. That's why every time I come into the jungle, I try to stay armed and legged. Well, the other day I was talking to my friends and they said, hey Skipper DJ, your job's so easy that we bet even a monkey can do it. And I said, well, if I see it, I'll believe it. Oh, that's awkward. Well, joke's on my friends. Those aren't monkeys, those are chimps. I tell you guys the difference between the two, but I have to save it. We're short on time. But I'll just tell you this, it's a long tail. Too long to talk about. Over on the left-hand side, we have our 2 sister chimps. Up on top, that's Annette. And they say she's quite the catch. Down below is her sister Maggie. Nothing really bugs her. And now, the moment we've all been waiting for. The amazing, the colossal, the stupendous, the 8th wonder of the world. Ladies and gentlemen, the backside of water! Woo! Yeah! O2H! 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 The local fishermen were telling me that this is a great spot to go fishing because the fish are always biting. And look at all these fish in the water. Wait a minute, this doesn't look good actually. Wait a minute, these fish have teeth. You know which fish have teeth? Piranhas have teeth. Watch out everybody, we're surrounded by piranhas and they're looking for handouts. But there's no need to be scared because these piranhas cannot make right turns. Hey look, that's a boa sitting in a tree. H-I-S-S-I-N-G. And over here is our gift shop. Yeah, be sure to pick up a hat after the trip. We specialize in capsizing. Oh, that's gross. You know, some people say that's water coming out of his trunk, but it's not. Well, everybody, I'd like to thank you all for joining me today. You guys have been fantastic. Right before we... Oh, thank you very much. Right before we make the dangerous turn, the turn back to civilization, I just need you guys to remain seated. Keep your arms, elbows, and hands inside the boat, because if you guys stick your arms out, you're going to experience peer pressure. I'm sure a lot of you guys thought that this trip was kind of strange, or that I myself was extremely weird. If you take a look right across the street over here, you're going to see something that's a little bizarre. You should see what they have in store for you guys. Get out. That was rude. Everybody, please get out. Watch your head, watch your step, use that handrail. For those of you that entered from the back of the boat, please exit to the back of the boat. Do not cross over the center boxes. It's the Jungle Cruise, not the Jungle Gym. Watch your head, watch your step, and if you don't watch your head, watch your language. Around, they like learning new words.